we're thrilled to present the top 5 best USB Wi-Fi adapters for enhancing your wireless connectivity. Whether you're looking to upgrade the Wi-Fi capabilities of your desktop computer, laptop, or want to add wireless functionality to your device, these adapters are perfect for you. USB Wi-Fi adapters offer a convenient and portable solution to connect to Wi-Fi networks, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. They provide fast and reliable wireless connectivity, allowing you to stream, browse, and download with ease. We've carefully curated these USB Wi-Fi adapters based on their performance, range, compatibility, and overall reputation in the industry. Each adapter on our list is designed to deliver exceptional wireless performance and a seamless internet experience. These USB Wi-Fi adapters come equipped with features such as high-speed wireless protocols, dual-band functionality, advanced encryption standards, and compact designs. They are designed to optimize your Wi-Fi experience, providing stable and fast connections even in areas with weak signals. We've considered factors such as wireless speed, range, ease of installation, and compatibility with various operating systems to ensure that these USB Wi-Fi adapters meet the diverse needs of different users. They are engineered to provide reliable wireless connectivity for gaming, streaming, online work, and other bandwidth-intensive activities. For detailed information about the top 5 best USB Wi-Fi adapters we discuss, check the descriptions below this video. You'll find links to these adapters, where you can explore pricing and additional details. If you're looking for a more comprehensive comparison or further resources, visit our website azsuperbox.com. Our website offers comprehensive reviews and valuable insights to help you make an informed decision when selecting the perfect USB Wi-Fi adapter for your specific requirements. So, without any more delays, let's explore the world of the top 5 best USB Wi-Fi adapters and enhance your wireless connectivity. Don't forget to check the descriptions for links to the adapters we discuss. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more insightful tech reviews and recommendations.
TP-Link USB 3.0 wireless network adapters are compact network devices that can provide a computer with access to a wireless network. Our USB network adapters can be used in situations such as replacing a defective network card, adding wireless capability to a computer without it, or upgrading a computer's network functions to the latest technology. To set up, first download the latest driver from the TP-Link website. This is also the best resource to use to find out what OS or OS version an adapter may be compatible with. Once downloaded, you'll want to install the driver. Simply unpack the zip file and run the installer program. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Some OS may support plug-and-play default drivers, but it is always recommended to run the official driver. Once finished installing, you'll want to restart your computer. Or for Windows users, your driver installation should look like this. Now connect the adapter and raise the antenna. Now that you've completed setup, connect to a network and enjoy.
BrosTrend AX1800 USB Wi-Fi 6 adapter is your best pick to upgrade your desktop and laptop PC to Wi-Fi 6. It delivers 38% faster wireless speed than the previous AC1300 USB Wi-Fi 5 adapter, boosting your connection speed up to 1,201 megabits per second on 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or 574 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. Two powerful 5 dBi high-gain antennas receive broader Wi-Fi coverage. You can adjust the angles of both antennas to get better Wi-Fi signals for your PC. Beamforming technology allows you to place your PC anywhere in your house and still stay connected with stable and fast connection. Benefiting from the latest Wi-Fi 6 technologies, you can say goodbye to buffering when playing online gaming, watching HD 4K movies, and enjoying high-quality music. With its USB 3.0 extension cable, you can flexibly place your Wi-Fi adapter in a spot with the best Wi-Fi signal reception for your PC. Get it now and enjoy faster Wi-Fi speeds on your PC.
Compatible with Windows 10 and 11. When unboxing your new Archer TX20U Plus, you will see 3 items. A universal quick installation guide that shows how to connect the 2 types of adapters we sell, the adapter itself, and a 1-meter USB 3.0 extension cable. Connect the extension cable to your computer and then to the Archer TX20U Plus. Complete by removing the protective film on top of the adapter. New for TP-Link adapters, the driver will be preloaded on the adapter itself. When connected, a window will open on your screen. Double-click on setupinstall.exe to begin the setup process. TP-Link drivers are not digitally signed but are safe to use. Please wait for the installation process to complete. Click on the network icon in your system tray. Find your network SSID and click on it. Click on Connect, type in your network password, and click Next. You may be asked to make the PC discoverable on the network. Answer this question to complete the connection. You can click on the network icon in the system tray to confirm connection.